Are you ready to test your knowledge of science and nature? We'll ask 10 fascinating multiple-choice questions. You'll have 10 seconds to answer each one. Once time's up, we'll reveal the correct answer and explain why. Let's get started. What gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is B. Carbon dioxide. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air and, using sunlight, convert it into energy through photosynthesis. This process also releases oxygen, which we breathe. What is the largest mammal in the world? A. African elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Orca. D. Giraffe. The correct answer is B. Blue whale. The blue whale is not only the largest mammal, but also the largest animal ever known to exist, growing up to 100 feet long. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Argon. The correct answer is B. Nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere, while oxygen accounts for around 21%. What type of celestial body is the Sun? A. Planet. B. Star. C. Moon. D. Comet. The correct answer is B. Star. The Sun is a giant ball of gas and plasma that provides energy to Earth as a main sequence star. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Lion. C. Greyhound. D. Antelope. The correct answer is A. Cheetah. Cheetahs can reach speeds of up to 60 to 70 miles per hour in short bursts while chasing prey. How many bones does an adult human body typically have? A. 206. B. 210. C. 215. D. 220. The correct answer is A. 206. Babies are born with around 270 bones, but some fuse together as they grow, leaving adults with 206 bones. What is the tallest type of tree in the world? A. Oak. B. Redwood. C. Pine. D. Maple. The correct answer is B. Redwood. Coast redwoods, found in California, can grow over 300 feet tall, making them the tallest trees on Earth. Which layer of the Earth is the hottest? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. The correct answer is D. Inner core. The inner core is the hottest layer of the Earth, with temperatures reaching up to 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit or 6,000 degrees Celsius, similar to the surface of the Sun. What phenomenon causes the northern lights? A. Earth's rotation. B. Solar wind. C. Gravity. D. Ocean currents. The correct answer is B. Solar wind. The northern lights, or auroras, are caused by charged particles from the Sun interacting with Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere, creating colorful displays in the sky. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Uranus. D. Neptune. The correct answer is B. Saturn. Saturn currently holds the record for the most moons in our solar system, with over 80 confirmed moons, including the famous Titan. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting quizzes. See you next time!